wizard.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a great day today. What I want to do. God bless you all and all praise to Jesus. So, Bitcoin has pumped. It was pumping just a second ago. We got all the way up almost to $106,000. Right now, we don't have a lot of resistance above us right now because we haven't traded at these prices for very long. So, 106 and then 108 would be resistance. If we can get above 106, we have the potential to hit 108. And if we hit 108, I mean, new all-time highs are only about 2 grand away. Okay. So, and we do have the potential for that now. What is this? The 4 hour? The 4 hour is playing the Squid Games with the red light, green light right here. Market cipher B. We're well above our previous weekly VWAP. You can see a curve to the upside starting to form on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, as well as the 1 hour. We are starting to lose momentum. Money flow is starting to fade. So if we're not going to continue higher, if we're not going to break and go to all-time highs, there's a possibility we come down and test some of these levels as support to make sure we are going to hold as support, because since we've blasted off from 96K, when none of this is confirmed as support. So we could see a move down. It's 4 something, 3 something my time. We could see a move down on open, but the 4 hour with that curve to the upside, money flow looks good. Also on the daily is getting a curve to the upside, just like we saw back here and here. Money flow is high. We are starting to pinch. What is bear divs. So a move down could be possible before we go higher, before we do take all-time highs. We could see that move down. The weekly is starting to come down. Money flow's curving up, shooting up. I'm curious to see if it's going to get higher than it was back here. If we're going to start making higher highs on the money flow, we can see the VWAP coming down. We can't really tell. I can't really tell right now if it's going to start curving to the upside like we're seeing on the daily, or if it's gonna continue down. But right now, even on the daily, we do have plenty of room to run on this momentum to continue higher and make lower momentum waves on this daily. But like I was saying, on the 1 hour, momentum is fading, and you can see the money flow coming out, and that's getting close to open. But now if it's Monday, you never know. It might just everything start blasting back off, and we put in a new anchor wave off this VWAP curving up. To the downside, the levels I would be watching if we are going to come down, I would look for the previous weekly VWAP around 100K, 99.5, or the monthly VWAP. That'd make sense just to confirm this move as bullish. Like you see, boom, we confirmed it right here. Maybe we need to reconfirm it. Maybe even just confirm the moving average as support. We just need to confirm a bit of support, or we could just keep pumping. Confirm the previous day daily as support. Let's break it down. Let's go to the 15-minute and see where we're at between the daily and previous day. I know it's really tight. Yeah, we're right there. So if we can claim we do have a curve, looks like a potential curve to the downside on the 15-minute. It is trying to pop up a green dot right here. But if we're not going to hold 104, 104.5, then we have this Fibonacci and this moving average right here around 102. And if we're not going to hold these levels, then I would look to make sure we have support at either previous weekly VWAP or the monthly VWAP. And like I said, there's not really much resistance above us right now because we haven't traded in these areas for that long. So these are the levels I'm watching. We could hit all-time highs today if market opens bullish. We're only 6K away. So we'll see. The monthly is still looking good. We know every time we get the green dot on the monthly here. On the monthly. Boom. Took us to a new all-time high. We hit an all-time high. Boom. New all-time high. Right here. Took us. That was the beginning of the bull market there. Boom. We got this one. Boom. Now we are starting to get another one to form. So I can only assume it's gonna take us higher. But we'll wait and see. We'll see what the TA does and what the market does. God bless everyone. Thank you all for liking and subscribing to my channel, sharing my content.